So we're getting a lot of really positive feedback on the ability to connect to Sam on your own device.
Yeah. But I think one of my very first questions is, since this is the fourth generation of
Yeah.
Sam, really, how does this compare to other auscultation mannequins and prior versions of Sam in the cardionics history?
Yeah, it's really state of the art and really true of time, if you will, in the environment that we're in. There's not a lot of big bulky laptops and cords around these days, and we were really happy to make this move. So we're getting a lot of really positive feedback on the ability to connect to Sam on your own device,
Yeah.
make the changes, and then the subtle changes too of adding the lighted auscultation points, and just a very basic enhancement of being able to rotate this so
So
you can,
simple.
yeah, when you're auscultating anterior and posterior, you don't have to move, right?